All right. All right, go ahead, Officer Harris. Thank you.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no smoking, no drinking, no driving or riding in a vehicle, no laying down or lounging. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Webb, I'm going to call your matter first.
Mr. Walker, I do need you to take that head rag off, sir.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. These are the matters of the people versus Letitia Webb. This is ticket number 346657. One count drove while license suspended. One count driving an unregistered vehicle. One count driving an uninsured vehicle. 5675, huh?
Judge, I apologize.
Oh no. Count of operating without a license.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
I know this way. You got to put yourself on mute. Your kid is very close. I understand that you may have a child nearby. I understand, but you got to put yourself on mute until we finish. And then when he comes back, if it's anyone who can assist you right now, they need to assist you. Okay? Ticket number P10232247. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling tickets number P820004. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count no proof of insurance. Ticket number P923581. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Ms. Webb. Ms. Webb, state your name.
Letitia Webb.
Judge, my client will wait formal readings to mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding today?
She wants to take advantage of the offer. She's pleading to, I think, 2 counts of improper plates. The remaining matters will be dismissed. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
All right. If so, you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand, ma'am. You have to physically raise your right hand, like I have to see you raise it. And then you have to unmute yourself. All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna have to.
Judge, can I say one thing? Ms. Webb, can you turn down your volume? Turn down your volume on your microphone. And I think
Yes.
turn everything down because it's really loud. And then you add a 2-year-old in there, and it's like a carnival.
I'm all set.
Okay. All right. Ms. Webb, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth? The whole. Focus, Ms. Webb. All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Webb, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
No, ma'am.
You didn't talk to Mr. Hill about your case today?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I did. Yes. Yes, him, yes.
Did anyone, he's an attorney, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Yes.
Ms. Webb, I need you to be able to focus, so I'm going to come back. You got a lot going on right now, because so I'm going to give you a moment, figure things out in your house, and then we'll do another matter, and I'll come back to you, okay? Because you gotta get focused for this, because you're not focused, so you're not listening. And the way that you're answering the questions, I'm not gonna be able to take it. So you gotta
Okay.
I'm gonna come back to you, okay?
Okay. I apologize about that.
It's okay. I was about to say, I know it can be tough, so I'm not upset or anything, but you gotta be able to focus, and I know you're not focusing right now. So I'm gonna do one other matter, and then I'll come back to you, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna skip this matter. We're going to do Mr. Walter Walker.
Present.
Okay, all right. You ready?
Yes.
These are the matters of the people versus Walter Walker. This is ticket number P11544410. One count drove while license suspended. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P115466. One count failed to stop for stop sign. One count no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP1149620. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 185106001. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Case number SP1149621. One count, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Ryan Hill, P68445, on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, state your name, please.
Walter Walker III.
Wait forward and stand your judge.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding today?
The client's going to be pleading guilty. If I remember correctly, it's going to be a unregistered motor vehicle and 1 improper plates, and the remaining matters will be dismissed. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
All right. Mr. Walker, you can take advantage of that today?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Ryan Hill in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of January of 2021. Were you in the area of Canyon and Roland Dale streets in the city of Detroit?
I'm sorry, what was the streets?
It was Canyon Avenue and Rolandale. In
Yes.
the city of Detroit. Were you driving a 2014 Cadillac vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving, was it unregistered or untitled vehicle?
Yes.
And also, did you, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Hill?
Judge.
And the court is satisfied as well, and you've already stipulated to probable cause, and the remaining counts to be dismissed. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on count 1 of this ticket ending in 410 to improper plate, count 2 as charged, and dismiss the remaining tickets stated on the record today. Mr. Walker, are you currently employed?
I just lost my job because I couldn't get there. The shift was too early for the bus route, and I didn't want to drive while my license ended. I had got started getting the ride there, but then that ride went bad, so I just lost my job. But I'm still actively currently looking for employment.
Okay. Do you need help? Are you on your phone? I can see you. Mr. Walker, you are in court right now.
For me?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not on my phone.
What are you doing on your lap?
I just looked away. I'm just fidgeting with my fingers.
Okay, I'm pay attention now.
Oh
Did
no,
you
I only
want?
got one phone. I only got one phone. We on it right now.
Okay. Did you want some help looking for employment?
I wouldn't mind. I'm not close-minded to it.
Okay. I have this program I can refer you to. I'm trying to remember how to do it, where they'll help you look for employment, and in return, the fees that I assessed today, if you participate in the program, they'll cut them in half.
Okay,
Like, participate in that?
sure.
Okay. Let me find it.
I'm just getting a pen just in case.
Oh, absolutely. That's right. That shows me that you actually want to participate. I gotta get some information from you. All right, I'm gonna finish assessing the fines and costs, and I'm gonna give you a number, Mr. Walker, to call the courtroom so that I can get you actually set up in this program.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna assess the cost today at let's see. $200. I'm gonna waive the cost of fines on one of the cases, but I'll set one at $200. And then I'll refer you to this. It's called Detroit at Work case. So what I'm gonna do is have you call the courtroom. The number is 313
Okay.
965 2293.
Okay.
Okay. I'm also going to give you the number for the program, but I want you to call the courtroom first because that way I can get some information. I have to fill out a form. We have to fill out a form, and I want to make sure we can fill out that form. Okay. 313.
Okay. 313.
922.
You said 922?
Yep. 922 2440.
2440.
Yes.
And that's the program.
Repeat it back to me.
That's the number for the program. 313-922-2440.
That's right. Okay. So we'll call the courtroom, but call us at noon. Okay. Okay. All right. Call us after. Yep. Call the court number first, but call us this afternoon. Don't worry about the second number right now. Call us, and then that way I can get all the information I need to get because I got to get some personal information, and I don't want to do it on the record. Okay.
Okay. About 12 or 1 o'clock.
Yes, that will be just fine. Thank you so much, Mr. Walker. I'm gonna get you straight. Okay, no problem.
They say.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. All right. Miss Webb, you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Call her matter. Recalling the matters of the people versus Letitia Webb. We were in the middle. Can I have your appearances for the record, please? Once again, attorney.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Ms. Webb. Ms. Webb, state your name again, please.
Letitia Webb.
All right. Ms. Webb, we were in the middle of trying to get the advice of rights on the record. And I'm going to start all over again just so that we can be able to move forward with that, okay? So if you can raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Webb, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Hill about your case and about your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for taking this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 29th of 2018. Were you at that time driving a 2004 Buick in the area of West McNichols and Kentfield Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Right. And then on the date of September the 6th of 2019, were you driving a 2016 Chevy vehicle in the area of Grand River and Bosworth Court in the city of Detroit?
Was it a white Chevy Cruze?
It was.
Yes. That's my vehicle.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at that time as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Hill?
Satisfied.
And is there a stipulation? Oh, you stipulated for probable cause, and the remaining counts to be dismissed. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket ending in 247, and going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 2 of ticket ending in 581. The remaining counts on the record today will be dismissed. Ms. Webb, are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And do you have any other tickets with the county? Did you have to pay anything else?
I just owe Southfield $400 and Romulus $500.
Okay. All right. Did you have any civil infractions here that you know about?
No, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. I'm going to waive one of the costs of your tickets, okay?
Okay.
How long do you need to be able to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
30 days. Well, actually, I can pay it tomorrow, actually.
Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case, okay? That way you
Okay.
make sure you're 12, 20, 21. Assess you $200, waive one of the costs and fines on one of the other tickets, and you will be all set, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, and I hope, thank you for getting that all together. I know it can be distracting sometimes and you get flustered, and I didn't want you to feel flustered because
Yeah, my work schedule, my 2-year-old is out of control. Thank you so much for being patient.
Oh, absolutely. I knew you were trying, but I was like, she is distracted, so we got to do it.
You have a blessed day.
Too. Have a good day.
Judge, I'm gonna go into some of these breakout rooms, and if people don't want to entertain pleas, then maybe we can just get them trial dates while we wait for John, okay?
Absolutely. I got somebody who's jumping all around too. Let me get him out of a room. He placed himself in the breakout room.
Damien's iPhone.
Yes.
That was
He was here earlier.
that was Damien Williamson.
Okay. I have phone number ending in 2909. What's your name?
Tracy Winters?
Were you here earlier, Miss Winters?
Yes, I guess I got disconnected, so I had to call back.
Okay. All right. I don't know what happened, Miss Winters. Okay. I'm going to rename you and put you in the breakout room.
I just talked to the man from there.
I know. He may be waiting to get a response from the prosecutor who has to give him the offer. So you just got to be patient, okay, ma'am?
Okay. Well, I thought he had hung up.
No, he ain't hang you up. I was about to say, sorry, ma'am. He didn't hang you up, and I think he did come in there and talk to you. Well, we just don't have some offers for some things. So just hold tight. I promise we're not going to forget about you today, okay?
Okay.
All right. Did you have a specific room? Do you remember? Tracy Winter.
I had her.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Sir, you can't hop from room to room. You have to stay in the room that we assign you to, okay?
No, my phone had died, and I just got it back on. I couldn't figure out what breakout room I was in. I was trying to hit ask for help.
Okay, I know, I was on the record, so when I'm on the record, I can't stop talking just to help you, okay? It's a little
Oh
different.
no, I apologize. I didn't know that.
He was in 10 or she was in 10?
She was.
Okay.
Winters and Damian Williamson.
Well, this Winters.
And then Damian was
What's his last name?
Williams?
Williamson.
Judge,
Yes.
we're ready on
3.
Howard.
Okay,
Howard Weathers is going to be a not guilty trial date, and Miss Winters, she was just in here. I don't know what to do with her. I don't. She doesn't have access to a video. I asked her to text me her insurance. She kind of yelled at me. She's at the court. She wants to show somebody her insurance. I told her that the option is either to plead or come back, get the video set up so that way she can show proof. And she just got upset. So I'm not sure what to do with her.
I can do it in person if she needs to.
I'm thinking I may walk down to 36th District Court to verify her insurance, take a picture and send it to John, and then walk back.
If you feel like that in your spirit, God bless you.
So yeah, she's here and she wants to come to court. Just FYI on that one.
Okay. Well, if you can help me out with that, that would be fantastic. If not, I don't have a court officer today, even though you heard one. I don't.
Let me do this. So yeah, Mr.
Okay.
Howard Weathers is ready if you want to do that, Judge.
She is.
Okay, Mr. Attorney Hill, can you find out where she is? We're gonna go take a picture of it for her so that we can see it. So you don't have to make that trip. So stop in there, find out for us, and then we'll go to her and get the picture. See how nice we are?
She's walking up to the building now.
Okay, we're gonna send someone down there to get the information. Thank you.
Eric, you know what you wear? What she got on? You know what she wear? What she got on?
It don't matter. I just call her
He
name.
go
Okay.
there, all right. All right, I'm gonna call. Attorney Davis, you wanna do this? Are you on the record in another courtroom?
Nope, I'm right here.
All right, we'll call this matter in that way.
Thank you.
They're requesting a trial date too, just to have the officers see if they can, call OWI documents. Do you want to do a trial date or do you just want a pre-trial?
So can we do a pre-trial? Because when we were here last, I know they did not have the original tickets. So I'd hate to get prepared for a trial and still get there and they don't have the original ticket. That might help us kind of streamline you know, the docket also.
That's fine. I just was asking. All right.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of the people versus Zachary Williams. This is ticket number 397476. One count no operator's license on person, one count no insurance. Also call the ticket number P666136. One count drove while unlicensed. Ticket number Z80515571. One count operating while intoxicated. Person and six. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tanisha Davis appearing on behalf of Mr. Zachary Williams, who's is not present here today. P716.
And are you waiving his appearance for this court hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What is your request today?
Your Honor, I have made efforts all morning to reach my client. He has been present during every court proceeding. I was assisting him in some other things as well. He's normally here before I am, so I'm imagining there may be some error. Maybe he got the date wrong or something. Nonetheless, I'm requesting an adjournment for another pretrial so that I can ensure that Mr. Williams is present.
Okay. How much time do you need for that adjournment? And I know you want to find the original ticket too.
Yes.
Okay.
I am looking at, Judge, do you have anything the week of December 13th, maybe December 16th, that Thursday? It's also a Thursday.
13th, 16th. I know she said 13th. That's a good day. So I'm going to give you a pretrial on December the 16th, 2021 at, I'll make it at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
The file will continue. If you have any other issues reaching them, please let the court know so that we can make some adjustments, but
I will.
And I'll let the prosecutor know too that you're looking for the original ticket on this.
Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
Okay. All right. There's nothing further. This concludes this hearing. You have a fantastic day, Attorney Davis.
You as well. You as well, Judge.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Who wanted a trial, Attorney Hill? Okay.
That was, come on, what?
Carlos Williams?
No,
Howard Weathers?
no. I've lost my mind.
No, you didn't.
Howard Weathers, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Okay. Yeah. All right, Mr. Weathers?
Yes.
All right, are you able to activate your camera?
No, something wrong with my phone.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Howard Weathers. This is ticket number 4237555. One count, no operator's license on person. One count, unregistered motor vehicle. One count, uninsured motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with the attorney. Is only one count on the docket today?
Yes, Judge. Ryan Hill, on behalf of Mr. Weathers. That's a show cause, Judge. We'll wait for Maureen to stay on mute.
Yes.
Could you state your name for the record, sir?
Howard Weathers.
All right. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I do realize that on my ticket, it says that the court has not received counts 2 or 3 of this ticket. He's here today simply for the no operator's license on person. How are we proceeding in this particular matter?
Judge, I'm asking the court for a bench trial, not a jury trial. My client understands his right to a jury's opinion at this time.
All right. Mr. Weathers, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Weathers, you had the opportunity to speak with an attorney. That would have been Mr. Hill in private about your case and about your rights today.
Yes.
He's informing me that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of March the 22nd of 2022 at 9 a.m. It is going to be a Zoom bench trial. So I need you to figure out how to get your camera to work. If I cannot see video, I will not proceed with the trial, okay? So you gotta figure out, either get another device that you can be able to borrow or use and put the Zoom on so I can physically see you on that day of trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you on March the 22nd of 2022 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, this does conclude this hearing. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Attorney Hill,
Yes.
I have an offer for you on, bless you, on
Oh,
Ms.
excuse me.
Waters.
Also,
Ms. Walker.
also, Attorney Hill, I just sent John a picture of that insurance information.
Thank you.
Okay, and he just texted me back. He's on his way.
Thank you. What was the offer on, what did you say, Judge?
Ms. Walker,
Excuse me, all right.
it's okay. Count one is going to be amended. Count one is no operator's license, multiple license. It's gonna be amended to mail to display, and count two will be dismissed.
Which Walker? You're not talking about Nadia Walker, right?
It's Jamisha.
And Judge, just so you're aware, are we, a no ops is the same thing as a fail to display? I don't know if yeah, it is. It's the city's, 3 or 4 years ago, they changed the no ops from a 2 point to a 0 point. But it looks better on paper. It's a way to get people to plead guilty.
Okay. You want that one or improper place?
It doesn't make a difference. That's fine.
Okay, I was about to say, as long as it's okay and they don't get points. We want to make them look good on paper so that they can get their license back.
Yeah, I'll go talk to Ms. Walker right now.
Okay, thank you. And John is in the court now, Attorney. Oh.
Mr. Williamson, can you hear me? Take yourself off mute, please.
Yes.
Okay, how come you're not in the breakout room?
That's what I was trying to ask, but she said she was on record, so she couldn't help me right away. And I couldn't figure out which breakout room I was supposed to be in because my phone died. So when I came back, it put me back in the courtroom. So I just stopped talking. I didn't want to interrupt her again.
Let me ask you this. Do you have a license?
Me?
Yeah.
No, that's what I'm here for.
Okay, sit tight then, okay?
I'm gonna put him in room 4, Ryan. Join room 4, Mr. Williamson.
Join
Okay.
4. Judge, we're ready on the rest of the stuff, FYI.
Okay. On everything else?
I think so. Yes, yeah. Everyone that's in the breakout room, yes.
Okay. So I'll bring everybody out except for Mr. Williamson.
Is John there right now?
Yes, he is.
Okay, good.
Oh, there was one that I needed, or two that I needed to amend. Jamisha Walker and Angela Wheeler both have documents.
State one.
Oh, it was? Okay.
And Miss Winters too, John.
Well, Miss Walker is the state.
Oh, and I did do Miss Winters. Officer Harris showed me her documentation. Judge, I did verify the operator's license on this matter. So maybe you want to just offer something. Yeah. Did you have Angela Wheeler? James? That was the other one that she had. Thank you.
Oh man, I think I'm in.
Mr. Winston?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, Miss Judge Taylor. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to have been in court at 8:30. I don't know.
You were. You okay?
Yeah, I overslept. I'm sorry. And my Wi-Fi is so like it sucks here. I set an alarm for 7:30 this morning and just waking up. I don't need no warrants. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
It's okay. I'm gonna put you on mute and I'm gonna have you hold for a minute, okay, sir? And then once we
Okay.
get it, I'll pull it. So just hold tight, okay? I'm just gonna put you on mute right now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for signing in.
Okay.
Thank you. Got the Antonio Watson, okay? Okay. On the Walker matter, Attorney Hill, will she do blockading on that second part of the ticket?
Yes,
Okay. Can I bring her out?
yes.
Talk to her. Okay. Did you speak to everybody now then, except for the one who just signed in?
Let me check the rooms here.
Okay.
Wilson, Williams, yeah. Chantel Washington. I didn't talk to Chantel Washington. Let me talk to her.
Okay, absolutely.
I think we're ready now, Judge.
Excellent. I'm gonna shut down the breakout rooms and start going through everybody. Need everybody put themselves on mute.
Yes.
All right. This is the matter versus Tracy Winters. This is ticket number P11167118. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Ms. Winters. Ms. Winters, state your name, please.
Tracy Winters. Can you hear me?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
we can.
Judge, if it's an arraignment, we'll enter, or wait for him where you stand mute.
This time the court will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I do have before me a plea recommendation to dismiss this matter. I believe that city attorney has seen her documents, and so is there a motion at this time?
Motion to dismiss, and then I'll stipulate the probable cause, Judge.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to grant that motion for dismissal. You're all set, Ms. Winters. You can have a great day.
Okay, will I get something in the mail for dismissal, or that's just it?
You will not get anything in the mail. If you do go online, you can see it online. If you do return back to 36th District Court, probably next week, they will be able to print it out for you, but they do not mail anything out.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too.
Bye-bye. Is there any order in particular you want me to go in, Attorney Hill? Okay, all right. Jamisha Walker?
Yes.
All right. You ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Jamisha Walker. This is ticket number X3857355. One count, no operator's license, multiple license. One count failed to yield right of way. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Ryan Hill, we have Ms. Walker. Ms. Walker, state your name, please.
Tanisha Walker.
Judge, this is a pretrial. I believe it's a recommendation to dismiss the misdemeanor. My client does have a valid license approved to the court. As well, I think there's an offer for impeding traffic. If that is the offer, my client will plead responsible to the impeding traffic. We'll stipulate to the facts that appear in the ticket, and I will stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
All right. Ms. Walker, can you please raise your right hand? Can you make some noise for me? Just say hello. Okay, all right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. Ms. Walker, you had an opportunity to speak with Attorney Hill in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
And he's informing me that you're going to take a plea of responsible. I'm going to read from the ticket today to establish a factual basis and then assess a fine that's by statute in this particular matter. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. So on the date of March the 18th, 2021, in the area of Davidson Freeway and I-75, Ms. Walker, Jamisha Walker, was driving a 2011 Dodge vehicle and did block traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Hill?
Judge.
And the court is satisfied as well, and there was a stipulation for probable cause, so I will dismiss the misdemeanor in this manner, as you have pled to a no point civil infraction. Ma'am, that cost for that civil infraction is $175. It is due in 14 days, or else you'll incur some costs, additional fines and costs. So it's due no later than December the 2nd, 2021. Okay, you need to pay that $175, or else they'll start taking fines and costs. Okay.
I might need more time to pay the ticket because I just started a new job and we get paid every 2 weeks.
Here's what I can do. We can set this for, if we put this out for a month, because you're only, whenever I put in the guilty, you're going to have to pay within 14 days. If I put it out for a month, and then we accept your plea at that time, will you be able to save up enough money to have that paid?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? And that's going into the holiday season. Are you still gonna be okay? Or do you want to wait till this year to do it? Or you want to do it, try and get rid of it in a month?
I can try to get rid of it in a month.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this as a pretrial today instead. I'm going to leave the offer open, and then I'm going to have the plea in a month.
Okay.
Does that work for you, Ms. Walker?
Yeah.
Because I can't extend the time. I hope I can do this.
Just 14 days then, instead of just. I said I'll just pay it in the 14 days instead of just making it, harder.
You sure? Well, I don't want you to get any late fees or costs either.
No, it'll be fine because I think our next paycheck is next week, but I don't exactly know how much it'll be. That's the thing.
Okay, I'm gonna have it due December the 2nd. Okay. If we run into some issues, can I give you the court phone number and I'll see if there's anything I can do?
Yeah.
313-965-2293. And if you can't pay it by then, I'll try and figure something out and see what I can talk to, who I can talk to about what we can possibly do, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Walker, because I appreciate you taking responsibility. So I'm trying to work with you as much as I can, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day, okay?
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Chantel Washington?
Yes.
All right. You ready? Yes. These are the matters of the people versus Chantel Washington. This is ticket number SP 106997761. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number. Now, count 2 is drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For Your Honor, Ryan Hale, on behalf of Ms. Washington. Ms. Washington, state your name, please.
Chantel Washington.
Judge, this is a pre-trial. My client's already been arraigned. We're just asking for a bench trial date. My client understands she has a right to a jury. We're going to waive it at this time and set it for a bench trial.
All right. Ms. Washington, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Washington, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Hill in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten him? And he's told me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself, where I would listen to the facts of the case and based on the law, figure out what the verdict will be. That's how you want to proceed?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of March the 22nd of 2022 at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom. So you just zoom back in the same way that you came on the court today on that date. And it's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And if there's nothing further, this does conclude. You need me to repeat any of the dates? I see you writing them down, so I'm so appreciative.
Yes, I wrote them down.
All right. No, I saw you doing it, so you got all the times and dates and everything, same Zoom number, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good day. Carlos Williams, you can unmute yourself, sir. These are the matters of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Are those prescription glasses that you have on?
Yeah, I just had some LASIK eye surgery, and I got this fluorescent light blowing so you guys can see. They gave me some little doctor ones, but I just put these on because I ain't want to have the hospital ones.
Okay, I understand. I'm just checking, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. These are the matters of the people versus Carlos Williams. This is ticket number P987498. One count failed to use seatbelt assembly safe system effective 1-186. One count failed to display valid operator's license on a person. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1159868. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. One count expired plates. One count no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number 507718. One count drove while license suspended. One count no insurance never required. Appearances for the record starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name.
Carlos Williams.
Judge, I had one ticket on the docket for him. You just rattled off a lot more than one.
I did.
So, well, he was going to plead not guilty anyways, Judge. So if it is an arraignment, we'll wait for formal reading. And we'd ask the court.
Let me check to see if these rest of the cases are all open. Some of them might be in warrant status. That may be why they're in here.
If they are open, Judge, my client will plead not guilty and request a bench trial. And if I can just say, Mr. Williams, Judge, everything that I said earlier about the one ticket applies to all the other tickets, okay?
Right, I thought I was only dealing with one ticket as well. I didn't. That's why.
If there's multiple tickets open, the same thing applies as it relates to the officer has to appear, all the other stuff, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
Count two. We got it. Count two. Yeah, count two is.
So I can't show the up-to-date information about the vehicle and plead guilty to the no license.
Mr. Williams, if you have all those open matters, then it's in my opinion, like I said in the breakout room, you know what I'm saying, okay?
Yes, sir.
Count one should be on the docket.
1.
And these two are.
All right, so let me make sure I make a clear record of everything. On ticket, the one that's on the docket today is ticket P1159868. Am I correct?
Yes.
Count 1, which is drove while license not valid or improper license. That's correct. The other 2 counts I listed were in default status, so I'm not gonna mess with those. We have ticket number, unless there's a request made. We have a ticket number P987498. Count 2 failed to display as in warrant status. The court is going to remove the warrant and set aside any warrants that may be out there on that particular ticket. And ticket number 507718, counts 1 and 2, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance never required. Those are both in warrant status as well. Court is going to remove the warrants out there on those particular matters and enter plead or not guilty on your client's behalf.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand, sir, Mr. Williams? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And he's informing me that you would like to have a bench trial at this time. That's a trial where I will be the finder and the trier of all the facts and make a decision based on the law. Is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So the court is going to allow that. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on 3/22/22 at 9 a.m. That's March 22nd of 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And again, that will be on all the tickets, so I'll set it on ticket 507718 for both those counts. Count 2 of ticket number 7498 and count 1 of ticket number P11598868. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. If there's nothing, I conclude this hearing. I don't believe you have any other tickets out there right now.
All right,
Okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Miss Angela Wheeler.
Yes, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
This is not calling the matter of the people versus Angela Wheeler. This is ticket number P11467229. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Ms. Wheeler. Ms. Wheeler, state your name, please.
Angela Wheeler.
Judge, this is an arraignment. We'll wait for me to stand mute.
At this time, the court will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
City's agreed to dismiss. We'll stipulate a probable cause, I believe.
All right, so we do have dismissals for both of these counts. So the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Wheeler, make sure you keep everything up to date and that you always have all your documents with you, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You have a great day, okay?
You too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Shaya Wilson, did I say it right?
Shia Wilson.
You ready?
Yes.
This is the people versus Shia Wilson. This is ticket number P1156446. One count insufficient or defective lights, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record.
Excuse me. That
Yes.
one ticket called off. I have already been to court for that. That ticket have been dismissed.
Okay. All right, Ms. Wilson.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, say your name, please.
Hold on, Mr. Hill. Hold on. Ms. Wilson.
Yes.
It's always an appropriate way to go about doing things, right? Do you think that was good to interrupt me at that point in time?
I apologize.
Ms. Wilson, I believe that Mr. Hill would have taken care of that.
I didn't even know Mr. Hill knew anything about it. It was just a shock on me when you said it. I'm like, so I just came out freely. I apologize.
Okay. All right, go ahead, Attorney Hill.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, state your name, please.
Shia Wilson.
Judge, my client has one ticket on the docket. I think I would have probably inquired about the second one. She's going to be entering not guilty plea, sending this for a bench trial. It's a show cause hearing. If it requires waiving formal reading of the information, we will, Judge.
All right. The court will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. Wilson, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down. Ms. Wilson, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And you're seeking to have a bench trial in this matter? That's a trial that will be heard before me as the trier and finder of the facts. That's how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to set this for a bench trial. You said you paid the first count?
That case was dismissed. I had to post bond on that ticket because I was unaware of that court date.
Okay. Was it dismissed or is it just in default?
It was dismissed. That ticket was dismissed. The cop showed up and she dismissed it. They even returned my bond back.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on No, March. Not bad. Okay, March 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. And you said the officer already showed up on the other count for this case?
Yes, Officer Peacock.
I wonder why they didn't handle it all at one time. Okay. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
I would like to apologize to you again, Your Honor. I very, very, very apologize.
I understand, Ms. Wilson. I just because I don't want you to go on any other court and do that because everybody's not as kind as me.
I hope I don't go to no more courts.
That's a good attitude.
Thank you.
They'll go back at you, so I don't want that to happen. All right, Ms. Wilson, I want to kind of figure out, could you put your phone number in the chat for me, please, before you get off? Do you know how to do that?
Right, I know what you're asking about. I can explain it to you better. I think, do I just send it? It say everyone. So how do I get it out of everyone?
Do it to everyone. I'm gonna send you a. I have a question to ask.
Did you? I understand.
Okay.
I said that. Did you?
Okay.
Did you receive it, Your Honor?
I did. Thank you so much. Okay. All right.
No, thank you very much. I'll be looking forward to your phone call.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day. And Damian Williamson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is the. Take your head and your hat off for me, sir. There we go. No, you're fine. This is the matter of the people versus Damian Williamson. This is ticket number 700393. One count, no operator's license, no person, and one count, no insurance never required by owner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Diane Hill, on behalf of Mr. Williamson. Mr. Williamson, say your name, please.
Damian Williamson.
Judge, we'll wait for a reading. Stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
We're asking for.
Let me find out what.
The one ticket will be in default, Judge. It's a companion ticket. As it relates to the no ops, my client's going to enter a not guilty plea. Because it's a show cause, Judge, can we set aside that default and set it for a formal hearing on the same date?
Yes, we can. At this time, the court is going to set aside the default in this particular matter and set it for a formal hearing along with, I'm imagining you're asking for a bench trial?
Bench trial, Judge, yes.
Okay, with the bench trial. The court will do that so we can have a bench trial. Mr. Williamson, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me that you would like to have a bench trial in this matter. That's a trial that I will be the trier and founder of the facts based on the information that I hear and applying the law. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of March the 17th of 2022. And that is St. Patrick's Day to help you remember it, okay? It's going to be at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
You're going to zoom back in just like you zoomed in today, okay? I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. You have any other questions, sir?
Not at all.
All right. If there's nothing further, this does conclude this hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Now, Antonio, you had 2,000.
Okay.
A lot of. Because they can't come up with a duplicate.
They are. So I gotta see. And we took it. Mr. Winston, we took care of a bunch of your tickets before, haven't we?
Yes, we have. This should be my last court date.
Okay, okay, I just want to make sure, we have taken care of some of them already. We're trying to go through your file right now and get them all together that we've already had in the computer system before, and make sure we only take care of what's left, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I see Williams Galloway on here. I don't think that she was on when the breakout rooms were open.
No, I wasn't.
Okay. There's no offer. Can I speak to her in a breakout room, Judge? We can't hear you, Judge, if you're trying.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why are you late, Miss Williams?
I'm late because I had work and it had slipped my mind. It's just so much right now. But I have all my proof for my tickets.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room with an attorney. He's gonna talk to you. You're gonna need to activate your camera so that he can see all that proof, so he can talk to the prosecutor, so they can try and see what they can work out about it. So I'm gonna put you into this breakout room, okay? It's gonna be breakout room 5, okay?
Okay.
All right. Breakout room number 5. Her last name is hyphenated. It's Williams Galloway.
Your Honor, is Mr. Gillis in the courtroom?
He's not. Do you need him?
No, I just texted him all the information.
Okay, I'll give him a second. I know he'll get back with me.
And Antonio Winston, is that something I need to address, Judge? Have you got all the tickets or?
You know, I hadn't just come, let me see which one he's coming back for. It's the, count one. Count one.
He said, I'm very responsible.
Does he have agency? Mr. Watson? Winston, Mr.
Yes.
Winston, I'm so sorry for calling the wrong last name. You're still in the payment plan, right?
Yes, I talked to Bianca like a week ago. I'm trying to
Because we don't see anything. You've pledged to everything from what we can see. You've taken care of all of your tickets, even the ticket that's on the docket for today. I don't know why it's on the docket for today. You're just making payments towards your payment plan and taking care of your matters. And so today, I know it's something on the docket, but that ticket shouldn't be on the docket because you already played responsible and you're taking care of it. So
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
it's okay. Tell me what you're gonna say, Mr. Winston, because we've been talking about these tickets for a while, so I feel like you got information too.
I know. Yeah, I seen I had a court date, so that's why I came back.
I know. You don't though, okay? We're gonna take care of it and make sure it's nothing else in the computer system. You're on the payment plan. We can see that you're doing it. You're taking care of business. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. You're getting there. So just keep paying. Okay? I know. You're gonna get it in, Mr. Winston. So hopefully we don't have issues. If you do, you know how to sign back into the courtroom and talk to us. But you're all set.
I can tell if I have any issues.
Okay, thank you so much, but you're all set for today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Judge, we're ready on the last person. I talked to John. He's willing to dismiss it.
Okay, that's what I just. Hopefully she comes out. Miss Williams Galloway?
Yes.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, this is the matter of the people versus Michaela Williams Galloway. This is ticket number P116094. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count drive on or untitled vehicle. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Michaela Williams Galloway.
This is the date and time.
Sorry, Judge.
Galloway. This is the date and time set for, I believe it's an arraignment or a show call. No, a bench warrant, arraignment on a bench warrant. How are we proceeding?
Judge, I asked the court to set aside the warrant. We'll wait for when you stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to set aside that bench warrant, enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Judge, I spoke to Mr. Gillis, who's in another courtroom. The original offer was for him, my client, to plead to 1, dismiss 2, but I did provide documentation. I sent him the documentation. I asked him, if you're busy, can I tell the judge that you're okay with a dismissal? That's if you are. He responded, yes, I'm good with the dismissal. That being the case, Judge, I'd ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
All right, and as an officer of the court, you saw all these documents, Attorney Hill?
I did, and I forwarded them to Mr. Gillis as well.
All right, as long as you have as well, that just, that brings me a level of comfort as well as an officer of the court. So, at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Williams, Galloway?
Yes.
What happened to your video? Make sure that you keep everything up to date, okay? And I always have your document, all right?
Okay.
There's nothing perfect. This does conclude the hearing. Thank you.
Okay.
Gotcha. You can log off this bench.